one more thing I forgot. I just got this in from Australia. Whoops. This is a air pod filter, a Bligo. It's supposed to be a Bligo, and it's the only one I could find that was blue. It's got this really funky, weird gasoline smell to it. Anyway, it says 42 millimeters right here. I wanted it big enough to fit on my giant Sudco carburetor. This is 30 millimeter. It's not going to fit on there very well, but it does look cool, doesn't it? Blue like that. I mean, I can use this for all my runs. And then I have another air horn coming in from Australia that is blue anodized, that comes out to about here, and it's just a nice little fit. Okay, I got to turn this damn camera off and get these things working.